And welcome to the what to do for chapter 6. So the chapter 6 system, once you click on the side of Blackboard, you will see the learning outcomes here, the topics, and in terms of time commitment, it'll take you a bit. There's videos to watch. And just pay attention to what you need to know, because there's a lot of extra stuff in chapter 6 that in the textbook that you don't necessarily need to know. When it comes to the to-dos, please download the guide. Just a second, I'm having internet issues because it's slow. Download the guide, watch the 2 lecture videos. Then after you're done watching the lecture video, there's an introductory video on histology, which is bone tissues. Then there is a movement there's a song on joint movement. Then there is an activity having to do with movement. Now, what I want you to do with this one, there you go, is draw stick people by hand. Do not copy and paste, and don't use any sort of program. Just get a good old pencil and paper and write these out, please, and show me these 12 actions show me these 12 actions, and then take a picture or scan your drawings and put it on Blackboard. And I'm only giving you a week and 3 days to do this, because some of you are putting off everything until the last day and you need to spread things out. Okay. Then also there is a game called Whack-A-Bone, which is a good game to play, but you need to have Adobe Flash to play it. Then there is a skeleton quiz. Now this is a quiz that you take online, and it looks something like this when you're done. Okay, so you do the quiz up here. Sorry, very slow internet. Anyway, you do the quiz and you get your answers like this, and you score the test, and it'll give you a score.